What if we could make it easier to take out the trash? How do we take an everyday chore and make it simpler? Introducing the Pulli bin, a stainless steel trash can with front opening doors. Why front opening doors? We've all been here before. It's time for a change. It all started when I saw my mother and my wife struggle with taking out the trash. I thought, why hasn't anyone made this easier? What if a trash can could actually work with you, not against you? I realized this problem isn't just theirs. It's something we all deal with. Too often, we ignore daily problems and just tolerate them. I knew that I couldn't always be there to help my family, so I created something that could. We reinvented the trash can and created a smarter, easier way to take out the trash. Here's how it works. Step 1, fill the Pulli bin until you're ready to empty it. Step 2, lift the cover to release the doors. And step 3, pull the trash bag out. Easy. The Pulli bin works similarly to the trash cans you have in your home today, with some helpful enhancements. Built-in door locks keep the doors fully secured until you're ready to take the trash out. So go ahead, stuff it. And no need to worry about clever pets or toddlers going scavenger hunting. Door seals trap odors and keep leaks contained. A drip collection base keeps any spills contained into one place to make cleanup quick and easy. But unlike traditional trash cans, you won't need basketball player length arms to reach the bottom of the Pulli bin. The Pulli bin works with all 13-gallon trash bags, so there's no need for expensive custom trash bags. Simply swap out the old for the new.
Designing the Pulli bin was a unique engineering challenge. We couldn't rely on existing models, so we started with a blank slate, optimizing every detail to achieve the perfect balance of strength, usability, and modern aesthetics. Over the past 3 years, we refined the design through 34 iterations and 10 rounds of prototyping and testing. Built with precision-engineered components and appliance-grade materials, Pulli bin isn't just another trash can. It's a meticulously crafted solution to an everyday problem.
Traditional trash cans have not evolved in decades. It's time for a change. It's time to make the ordinary extraordinary. Back us on Kickstarter today to experience the easiest way to take out the trash.